Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, we are doing a major closet clean out today. I know I've done these videos before, and I actually did one probably about 6 months ago, but quite honestly, 6 months is a very long time to actually collect a lot of stuff. And so I need to get rid of stuff. It's springtime in New York, daylight saving, so it feels like spring. There's more sunlight. It's actually gonna be 65 degrees today, and so I want to bring out a lot of my spring stuff but also get rid of stuff. I'm not posting any of the stuff on Poshmark. I don't really like the idea of selling things that I get for free, and so it's sometimes hard to remember which things were sent to me and which things I bought. So I just am going to donate all my clothes for this video. Specifically, we are venturing into the great abyss of underneath my bed because I have not been under my bed in a very long time, and it is honestly, I don't even know. I'm very worried to go under there. Very dusty. I'm kind of afraid there's bugs under there. I have this fear of going in like dark places that I haven't been to in a very long time, like something is going to come out. I don't know why. We're doing it today. We're facing our fears, and then I also am going to go into my closet, and there's also a little dark section that I haven't been into since I moved into this apartment, which was like 8 months ago. But I love watching these videos. I think it's always really inspiring to kind of like minimize and get rid of stuff, and especially living in New York City. Our apartment's a decent size. Our living room's pretty big, but my room is pretty small. I think it's around like 200 square feet or something. I'll put the exact square footage, but it's a very small, very tiny bedroom, and honestly most things go underneath my bed, so I need to do a lot of organization there. I'm also bringing in some new spring pieces. Wanted to thank Kondo shoes for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to be working with them because they have the cutest shoes ever, and I have this rule with myself: if I bring things into my life, I have to get rid of things as well, and so that's mainly why I'm getting rid of stuff, because I have a lot of new shoes to add. They're handmade in Turkey, and I think they're sold in over like 30 countries. Because I live in New York and I do commute, shoes are really important, and that's something I realized when I moved here. Having things that are just comfortable to wear that aren't going to give you blisters, it goes a long way. They just launched a ton of spring designs. The first one that I really like, these little pink sneakers, they're so cute. They have like little holes in them, and they're like this really soft material. They're super great, super comfy. I love this color. I think they're absolutely adorable. I wore those with like a skirt and like a milkmaid braid the other day, and it was so cute. I was walking around Dumbo with Aiden. It was just a really pleasant day. And then these ones are also my second favorite pair that I got. They're the same kind of light pink color, but they're these really cute flats. And I don't really like flats, but these are cool because they have a little cutout in them, and I think they're just really easy to style. Or just like jeans, something really simple. They're so comfy, and again, they're just that really soft material. I've always wanted a pair of shoes like these. They're just these like pointed loafers that have cutouts in them, and I don't have any loafer shoes. I feel like if I was still working a traditional job, they're like professional, but they're still just cute and fun. Super awesome. And then the last pair I got, they're just these black booties. I also wore these recently too. I was recording a podcast with a guest, and I wanted to be a little more professional, so I threw these on with a jumpsuit. March is still relatively cold in the city. Even April is too, and so these are still something that I'm going to be able to wear a lot. I wanted to share those with you because I'm so excited to kind of incorporate more spring pieces into my wardrobe. If you guys want to check them out, I will have them linked at the top of the description box. For this clean out, I am following Marie Kondo's rules. I love following her little tidying up rules. I think she's great, and the first one she says is to commit yourself to tidying up. I got a solid 5 hours to commit to this, so we are fully committed. It says to imagine your ideal lifestyle. I really like soft colors. I want to be in a space that's intimate, that I can feel comfortable in, and when life is so overwhelming outside of my home, I want to come home and not feel overwhelmed, which means having a lot less stuff. Taking photos of the before and after, so here are my before photos of under my bed, in my closet, and she always says to thank the items for serving you for the time that they did, which I honestly think is so sweet. And then of course, ask if it sparks joy. I feel like there's a lot of confusion about asking if things spark joy. It doesn't necessarily mean if you look at like a lemon juicer and you're like, this doesn't really spark joy, but it's useful. It sparks joy because it has a purpose in your life, and I think that's the root of it. Is this something that actually has purpose in my life? I'm gonna try on some of my clothes. I'm not trying on all of them because there are just some things I know I don't need to try on and I don't want them, but I'll try on a few for the sake of it. I mean, I've worn this shirt for the past like 3 videos, so I think that shows that it's time to do a little bit of updating. I got my fun floral pants on for the fun of it, so let's go. So I just emptied out my closet. We now just have a little bag of hangers down there. That's it. This is the zone I've been scared to go in. So we're all clear. This is what it looks like. It's probably the most impractical closet because there's so many shelves, but whenever you hang things on this, it covers all the shelves. So it's just things that go back here have to be things you don't really need every day, which means you probably don't need it if you don't need it every day. So, but I think I'm gonna wipe down everything just in the spirit of the coronavirus. You know, you never know. So we're gonna Clorox everything, vacuum back there, just make everything nice and tidy. And here we go, folks. Everything that's in my closet / we have a shared rack of our coats. And this is everything I pulled out. Here are all my shoes, purses, all of this stuff. This isn't even under my bed or my drawers. So we're gonna go ahead and start going through this. These are 2 new shirts that I have for spring that I'm so excited about. This one's from Petite Studio. This one is from Foxy Docs. I've been wearing both these a ton. I think they're so cute and just light and springy. Just wanted to mention because I love fresh floral tops. The skirt for a while, and honestly it is just really short. I like it, but I'm trying to stop buying things that are just way too short on me, so that's gonna donate. And same with this dress. I really love it, but again, it's just look how short the skirt is. It's crazy. It's like a tiny little dress, but it's cute. This is an example of a jumpsuit that I have literally had for so long. I think I have had this for 2 years now, but it's from Albion Fit, and it's like the nicest material. It's so well made, but I'm keeping it because it's lasted so long and it still looks brand new. So comfy, versatile. This is a top that I actually really like. I think I showed this in my last closet clean out video, but it's like a little Madewell sweatshirt. It has like flowers on it, but I honestly have so many hoodies now, and I just ordered a tie-dye set, which I'm really excited about, but I just don't need more things like this. So I think this is also gonna go in the donate pile. I wore this dress to a wedding. It's this kind of like flare black dress, but it is honestly so tight. I remember even when I wore this a year ago, it was so tight, and I just know this is not going to fit me anymore. It's so tight, and so this is also going to donate. This is a very expensive dress. It's actually really cute, but this is a blazer that I got forever ago, but it's like this kind of nude blazer, and I honestly never wore it because it's supposed to button, but it just looks like really weird when I button it, and I don't need it. I've never worn it, and so literally no joy has been sparked. The thing about me is getting rid of stuff is actually really easy. It's almost too easy, and I'll get rid of things that I'll be like, oh my gosh, I wish I still had that piece that I like threw out randomly. To go under my bed, and this is the part that I think is going to take the longest because I just have so much stuff under my bed, just like random stuff. I have out of season clothes, suitcases, all my PR stuff I put under there, so it's just crazy. So let's just go. Got rid of like trash and everything that was under there, which was very nasty, but I'm going through spring things. I'm gonna get rid of things that I know I'm not gonna want to wear, but then also bring out the things that I will want. I have swimsuits in here. Those are donations, and then those are winter clothes that I'm gonna store. So I usually just store all my out of season clothes in here and then pull them out when I'm ready for them. Just finished organizing underneath here. Here I have all of like my undergarments, and then this is a box of all the PR stuff that I've gotten that I've actually sorted through, and these are the things that I'm actually going to use, but they're just tucked under there. I have some storage bins back there, my workout clothes, and then my suitcases. So it's a lot cleaner down here, and then just finished organizing underneath. Right here I have all of like my undergarments, and then this is a box of all the PR stuff that I've gotten that I've actually sorted through, and these are the things that I'm actually going to use, but they're just tucked under there. I have some storage bins back there, my workout clothes, and then my suitcases. So it's a lot cleaner down here. And then here's all my spring laundry that I need to do, and I'm waiting for Rose because she has stuff going right now, so I'm gonna wait to do that once she's done. My drawers are looking very nice and organized. These have been like absolutely crazy. Like I couldn't even open them, so now it's just nice. Everything can be shut. And then right here is my huge pile of donations that I'm also adding. So we definitely did a lot of donating. We have trash, donations there. So it is about 4 o'clock right now, and I just finished deep cleaning and decluttering my apartment. I actually deep cleaned on Sunday, and so everything is clean and also organized and fresh, and I cannot wait to just live in my apartment this week when everything is so fresh and clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little decluttering video. I'm also going to be giving away some PR things in this video. I'm going to be giving away 2 separate boxes to people who want to enter. I get a lot of free products, and so I'm just going to be giving away 2 boxes of makeup, hair stuff, skincare, a ton of different things. And so if you guys would like to enter, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Michelle Reed, and then comment down below and say what your favorite thing about spring is, and then also include your Instagram @name so I know, and I will randomly select a winner and I will DM them on Instagram 2 weeks after this video goes live. And I'm gonna do 2 weeks because I'm gonna be traveling next week. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little giveaway too. I always think it's good to donate and give things away when I don't need them. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye friends.